Hey, how's it going? So hopefully this audio comes out on all right, because the traffic here is terrible. I usually film my intro up there so you can see the creek right here, but it was not going to work out today because there is just been non-stop traffic. But I'm out here, you know, at this little creek. If you all watch my channel at all, you probably know where this is what creek I'm fishing. You know, same thing I was always doing, small little crawls, size 4 hooks, and hopefully I catch a bunch of fish today, maybe some big ones. All right, first fish of the day, small little bass. Oh no, not a bass, bluegill. Whatever, I'll take it. I'll take a big bluegill every day on bass tackle. Didn't put too much of a fight. Come on, get out of it. Dang, he got it good in his mouth. There he goes. All right, first one of the day. Really don't know what this is right here, but I think they're trying to trap something. Ooh, this water is freezing cold today. I can't wait for it to warm up. But it looks like they're trying to trap something. I don't know, some kind of animal or just trash or something. Ooh. Osprey initiative. I don't know what that is, and I don't know why all this is right here, but I'll be kind of curious to see what they trap in it. Oh, there's one. Okay, finally got on a bass. Pretty decent one. Just walking around this area. Ooh. Ooh, stop. Don't put that hook in me, man. I don't want to be bleeding out here. All right, first fish of the day, or first bass of the day. Caught them fan casting. I've walked a lot of this creek and haven't caught one. I walked a pretty big section, so I figure as more as I go down, I'll start hitting some more fish, because there was a lot of current right there, probably too much current for them. There's a fish. Fighting pretty good too. Oh, no, just the current. I mean, it's still pretty decent fish out of here. You don't come out here for size, but mainly numbers. Pretty one too. Let me stand over here out of this current. Pretty little guy. Oh, there's one. Oh, I was just stepping over this log and I had my lure in the water and he came up and got it. I got way too much going on right now. All right, there we go. Let's just set you down right here. Nope, oh, yep, and there it goes. He was about the same size as the other ones. There's one right there. Oh, pretty decent size. Pretty decent fish. Come on. Oh, beautiful fish. Don't want to set my reel right down there. Look at this guy. Oh, I got too much going on. Pretty decent fish. Thanks for biting, bud. All right, got him that time. I think it's a decent fish. Oh, he came back for it. Yeah, it's a decent fish. Okay. Yeah, pretty good one. All right, just gotta keep him pinned. He's fighting hard in this current. All right, come on. Man, I never had a 1 pounder fight this much before. Gotta love creek fishing. Ooh. They fight out here, that's for sure. Oh, he was barely hooked too. Good thing I kept him pinned. Probably the best fish I got out here today. All right, got a picture of him. Let him revive a little bit. Oh, he didn't need no reviving. I'm glad he just didn't splash me in the face. Oh, there's a bass right there. Swim all the way through that current to get it. Little one, but fun to catch. Tug is a drug. There you go, dude. There's one. Almost didn't feel him bite. Another small guy. Come on. There you go, bud. There he is. Oh, another bluegill. Big one too. I knew there's had to be something next to this log jam. Stop, don't fin me, man. But, big old bluegill. There you go, dude. There's one. All right. Oh, is this a red eye? Oh, it's a red eye. First red eye today. Not many in this creek, right, in this section. But I know the further you go down, you catch them. Well, first red eye today. And it's probably last fishing down, unless I catch them. I'll throw a couple more casts, but this is usually where I stop right here, so I'm probably going to start fishing back. Hey, how's it going? So I'm back at the spot where I started this video. I guess I'm done for the day. I didn't catch a single fish coming back up. I don't know what was up with that, but usually I get a couple, but I mean, I had a couple bites, but I didn't catch a single fish, so that's kind of weird. But I did have a pretty good day today out here on the creek. I mean, didn't catch the amount of fish I normally catch, but I caught some 2 solid fish out of here today. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, and watch the next one I post.